Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel KAS Tutorials. So there was a query of a student about the topic castration and why it can't be used as a birth control method. So today I am going to tell you about the topic castration. So let's get started. Now what happens? First of all, what is castration? The removal of testes in males by surgical or chemical means is known as castration. Got it? Now what happens after castration? The male loses the function of testes. Okay? In animals, the male gonads are known as the testes, which are essential for reproduction. Okay, and it stimulates some hormones like androgens, which produces testes, the male gametes. Got it? And testosterone hormone. Now question is, why it can't be used as a birth control method? It cannot be used as the birth control method because it is the complete removal of testicles. Which induces in the body that there is no production of testosterone. Now, if there is no production of testosterone, it leads to various conditions like lowers the sexual drive or desire. Got it? Number 2, lowers the frequency, erection and strength. Got it? Loss of body hair, can cause hot flashes, vertigo and breast growth. These all are the disadvantage of castration. It may lead to any one of these. Now, the contraceptive devices should not interfere with the sexual arise or sexual desire of the person, whereas castration is the complete removal of testicles. So that's why it cannot be used as the permanent birth control method. Got it? I hope you understood this topic. If you have any or queries related to this topic or you want me to explain any topic of your choice, please let me know in my comment section. Thank you.